Welcome back. Today we're discussing 10 useful phrases for kids. These phrases can help with communication and build important social and emotional skills. Whether you're a parent or teacher, these phrases are handy. Let's dive in and learn these essential phrases. Could you please clarify that for me? A polite way to ask for further explanation or understanding. I respectfully disagree. A way to express disagreement in a polite and respectful manner. That's a great point, but have you considered a way to acknowledge someone's idea while introducing another perspective? I appreciate your input. Thank you. A way to show gratitude for someone's contribution to a discussion or project. I don't think that's accurate. A way to express disagreement with a statement or fact. Can you elaborate on that? A polite way to ask for more detail or explanation on a topic. Let's work together to find a solution. A way to encourage teamwork and collaboration in problem-solving situations. I'm willing to compromise. A willingness to find a solution that meets the needs of both parties. I take responsibility for my actions. A way to show ownership and accountability for one's actions or mistakes. I'm proud of you for trying your best. A way to express encouragement and recognition for effort rather than just results. These phrases introduce more complex sentence structures and vocabulary, as well as in social and emotional skills like conflict resolution and taking responsibility. Grade 3 students can use these phrases to become more effective communicators and develop their critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Thanks for tuning in. We hope these phrases are useful for your daily interactions. Remember to practice often, as communication is crucial for success. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Happy communicating and learning. See you next time till then. Bye-bye.